Welcome to my channel.
$5 likes away, guys.
Okay, everybody, welcome back to my channel, Super 7 Slots Plus. We're at the Hard Rock in Wheatland, California. We're playing the All Aboard Dynamite Dash. You need 6 trains or 3 dynamites for the bonus round, so wish me luck.
You guys have knives? Yeah.
Oh, I can't see it.
What's going on?
Get away.
Oh, they missed.
Oh, one more. Yes.
Yes! Alright, they passed 350. All aboard! Alright, you ready?
Yeah. So I got the 6 trains again, so let's get a bonus and a bonus. Or I guess for this one, you just need the mega.
Yeah. Mega. All aboard!
I never got the mega.
They asked for 4 $3 bets.
Alright, so we're at 2 cents. That would be the 150, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 4?
Yeah.
Oh, that's $3.
Yeah, they wanted 4 $3 bets.
Oh, okay, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Almost got it.
3 more. How long have we been on?
We've been on for 2 hours and 20 minutes. Alright guys, we got the next hole set up for you. And Larry Lobsters, I will write down in the book of games that you guys want to see us play. Larry Lobster. But yeah, go ahead and get us to 400 likes, and we will do what you request us to do in that hole at the bottom of the screen. So make sure you vote in the hole as well.
Eyeballs itching.
Your palms itching?
My eyeball.
Oh, if you're going to win the eye money.
Maybe. Where are we at? Oops, wait, wait. One more.
Ah.
Oh. There's my one more.
Yeah. Now, what did you want? You wanted something.
I just wanted to see what that was.
Oh,
I want the grand.
oh yeah. But you got all your money back, and then some. Thank you. Osmond says good luck.
Thank you. One more. Oh, it was right there. One more. Excuse me, goodness.
Mr. Collins says bonus coming in next 5 spins.
Thank you. Yes! You called it. I brought the white one too. get a bonus and a bonus.
Bonus, bonus, bonus. Now, welcome all 825.
Welcome. Yeah, free trigger.
Alright, another 90.
Look at this. 33330.
Get off that.
Threes are lucky, you know.
Not that one.
Oh, just ignore that other number.
Give something good.
Yeah, give me some trains. Train. Bonus and a bonus. That's it. Three more. Oh. Thank you for joining. I know. That's good. Came through at the end, That's $20.
Welcome in, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Vera says it's awesome. Thank you, sir.
Train.
Fabio says hello.
Hello.
Hi, Fabio.
I like your name. Oh, I needed two more. There's my two more. One more. It does that. Gives you that 5, you know? Well, do this.
There we go. All aboard.
Mini. So I got the 6 trains again. We started with the mini. Let's get the major and the maxi and the mega.
All aboard.
my 2 more. No, 6 train. Mega. Oh, needed 3 more.
There we go.
I'm not complaining. I got the 6 trains again, so let's see what we can do. Oh, come on. Save it. There we go. Mega. Save it. That's not bad. What's our time?
A little over 2:30.
3 more. 1 more. I didn't mean train. I wanted a dynamite. Oops. Sorry, guys. That was me bumping. No, not every time. There. Is that better? 1 more. Yes, got it.
Glad to have you.